Hey, what's up guys, it's me, Sibreezy, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we are going to be fixing my glasses because they broke. Okay, we are going to be fixing them, and we're now going to my mother to go to Specsavers and go ahead and fix them.
What's up everybody? Welcome to me and just like for another video.
What's up? Aku belum offer beberapa lagi kan jelas itu. Ansi bunga anak.
Yes. What do you mean?
We don't have time. We don't have time. Apa belu? Wezinto zaziphelanga. Abelungu wezinto zaziphelanga. Azivale lo ayenzayo. Into
Akhawuleza.
Ngale di fast talk. Angiqheli mina. Fara kuwe kanye ufana naye. Ngihama and yasekhaya ulibele anele bomvana wena ukusovuye bomvana. Manje ngusibo nokudle stick money mntana. Ngase ustick money. Yeah? Yasekhaya ngowakho more than me. More than me mntana.
Oh, thank you.
You understand?
Thank you.
You understand?
Thank you.
You understand? You know the shortcut is Say absa. Well. Oh, guys, I will find you when I get there.
Oh, I'm just gonna go to work.
Okay, guys, now we are at I finally arrived at my mother's.
It doesn't.
That's 50 cents. 20. Now I'm here. I'm waiting for her. She's coming and we'll go when she gets here. So guys, now we are here waiting to go to Specsavers until it opens. Now it's open. It's 2 p.m. Let's go. Okay, let's go. No, my favorite is
So fast.
Supposed to check again. So yeah guys, that's not real. And I am Sibreezy.
Like no other. Now I found another.
Okay, sorry. Masam. I'm gonna drink water and then I'm gonna go. Okay guys, now guys, I am done at Specsavers. They gave me this reminder, summer safe. Okay, so now we are going to buy bread at OK mini market.
Also bought chips.
Also bought chips, potato chips, and we are going to buy bread, and then we're gonna go home because it's too far long. It's 3 o'clock, and at home they are hungry. Maybe they are hungry.
I love it.
So yeah, we'll come back when we go back home. Okay guys, we are done. Now we are going home. We just bought Coca-Cola, 2 brown breads, then potato chips, slap chips, and now we are going home.
No, sanapata. Shini.
We are going home. And we'll see you when we get there.
So guys, we're also going to the shop to buy something
Oh,
today.
okay.
It's like, yo,
I feel like an adult, guys, because they're grocery shops.
It's been like,
savers.
It's been like,
savers. That's
oh, it's been like, it's 3:07, but a car ending we left at 1. 1 quarter past 1. Quarter past 1. We left at quarter past 1. And then we arrived at the town at 1:15. It's almost at the shop.
Okay, so you know what about me?
Almost at the shop. Finally.
Okay, you guys, now we are done with everything. We bought this little mini Coke and it was 6 rand. And why do I see a child selling in a why do I see a child in there? Tell me why. But that was weird. And I saw the child selling these in a adult shop. And there's someone that sells there, but I don't know where he is. Maybe it's his child or something. I don't know. But there's a child there. That's what I know. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. And now we are done. We have the bag in our hand. Where's my change? The change is 3 rand. Sugar is 3 rand. Now we are going back home, and we'll maybe the video ends now, or it continues. I'm not sure, but I think it continues because I'm still going to buy ice cream. Oh, sorry guys, I was kidding. Maybe magazine. Ah, galamal ka mama. If maybe we'll buy ice cream
later
and makazu 20 rand.
Lemon get 25 rand.
So yeah, I'm not sure. So we'll see you when something happens.
We should buy dunked wings. Like, you know,
dunked wings. Okay, it's about 50. It's about 45 rand. Oh, shake it 55 rand.
No.
Oh, na lema de oh shake it.
Yeah, 4 rand to best time.
Cause I'll tell man.
Look at us, we just speaking.
Then guys, I'll come back when something is happening. So anyways, almost at the house. Almost are reaching the house. Like guys, it's been 3 hours.
Probably 4 hours.
3 hours. Don't cuss in this.
No,
It's been 3 hours. Finally we are home after 3 full hours, and now see when something happens. I guess. Look, they are again. The car is not here. Don't forget my phone. What if every time you're at decline? What if every time you're at decline? I'm irritated.
Are you irritated?
I'm irritated. There's no one in the house and we are locked out, guys. Oh, I'm irritated. Let me go.